This is an SB10. It is a water source heat pump unit. So this is a condensing unit as well as the air side. The SB uses the V3 series of units as the air side. The SB unit has ranges of 3 all the way up to 18 tons. They're always single circuit units. We have options for hot gas reheat as well as specials that bring the unit all the way up to 30 tons. The SB units have options for head pressure control. And that can allow units to function all the way down to an entering water temperature of 60 degrees or all the way up to an entering water temperature of 120 degrees. The benefit of doing a water source heat pump system is instead of having to run refrigerant tubes through your building and all the way outside to an air source heat pump or something like that, you can instead just do a water loop, so you're piping water all the way through your building. We offer these all the way down from 3 tons up to 18 tons. As you change those sizes, we do have different cabinet sizes. The SB unit does use the V3 air handlers. There is a switch, and you can see how they line up with those units. The SB units are fairly modular, so they can be ordered as a package unit, or they can be ordered as 2 separate pieces that will be assembled together in the field. That includes quick connects for the electrical connection so that you don't have to worry about wiring errors. The other advantage of that is all of the SB and H3 series units are designed to fit through a standard doorway, so they can be disassembled into pieces and taken into your space.